With ContextMinds, you'll create perfect drafts faster than ever. Start by entering a general topic or article title. The time you save comes from automatic search results tailored specifically for content writers. It will give you inspiration for new topics, show you the right keywords with all the essential SEO stats, and allow you to see related articles, discover what people frequently ask about, and much more. Drag anything that seems essential to your whiteboard. You won't get lost in dozens of browser tabs again. You'll never lose search results, and you won't forget your ideas. When searching for something specific, simply type into the search bar or click something on your map. Otherwise, we'll show you suggestions based on everything you've added to your map. If you have subtopics, keywords, or anything else provided by the client, just drag it over from the toolbar. Pro tip: a double click will add a new concept. Have a full list? Then click Add Multiple. On the whiteboard, you can organize the concepts however you like. You don't need to strive for a perfect mind map. Only headings should be added in a specific order in case you already have an outline in mind. If you want to create an outline, add one extra bubble to the map and drag the headings into it in the order you want to use them. Plus, use indentation for lower-level headings. If you want to cite an article in a specific section, just connect it, with an arrow, to the relevant heading. Remember, you can leave headings that you're not sure where to place outside the outline for now. Once you've gathered all the context for the article on the whiteboard, you'll save even more time. Just switch to the integrated GPT panel. If you haven't added a content style to the whiteboard yet, we'll ask for it before generating and add it to the whiteboard automatically. And you are going to generate a perfect draft with one click. Yes, you'll get a perfect draft without having to worry about prompting. Everything on the whiteboard that is a keyword, topic, question, heading, or article will be carefully considered for draft generation. Pro tip: if you only want to generate from certain concepts and exclude others, hold down the Command or Shift key and select the ones you want to generate from. After the article is generated, you can add further instructions and make edits. Finally, click Copy and paste your perfect draft into Google Docs, Word, Grammarly, or Hemingway.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.